Okay, so the next place, or the next thing we need to do here, get some of this out of the way, is go ahead and paint. I mean, you could leave it like this with all the white, but I kind of wanted to add some gold to it. This is vodka, and this is a gold dusting powder. You just mix it with the alcohol. We use alcohol because the alcohol evaporates quickly. And I need a brush. So this makes a paint. Okay, so then I can come back here where this is already dried and kind of go over it. Now if there's not enough gold, that means you have too much liquid to gold dust. So that would mean you need to add more gold dust to your mixture. And I also like to take some of the gold and go right around the edge, right here where the opening was. And then on the packages. Okay, now I just need to fix that little where I messed that up. And there it is, our Santa Claus Christmas tree Christmas card.